Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll discuss more important topic in PySpark, which is joins. So like if you're working in any data engineering role or ETL pipelines or big data role or data lake solutions, or if you're preparing for it, then like you should know all the types of join in PySpark. And for sure you will get the questions on joins in interview, like it's the most important topic. Like you will surely use the join in your daily production level work. So you will discuss all the type of join one by one. So here is the list of joins we have in SpicePark. So inner join, left outer or left right outer, or we call it right join, the full outer, say left semi, left anti and cross join. Okay. So first we'll discuss with inner join. So inner join is like the join when we join two database or data frame. It will match by using a key and return us only the matching data. Okay, so here if you can see in the diagram that this is the data frame 1 and this is data frame 2, or you can call it left data frame or right data frame, and if you match the both, it will return us the only the matching path. Okay, we will see it how we can do this in our PySpark code. Let's uh, open the VS code. Yeah, so here I have initiated the Spark session. Okay, so and here I took two data frame. One is employee and another one is department. So this is the data. So here employee data I have to this will be the employee ID and name, and this will be department ID, and here this will be department ID and department name. Okay, so here I created two data frame with this schema. Okay, and if I print also the data frame, you can see this, right? This is the employee data frame and department data frame. Okay, so here we will see how we can perform the inner join. Yeah, so like for inner join, we need a key to like perform the join. We'll match, like we'll join the data from over that key. Okay, so here we'll use the department ID. In like in the most of the join, we'll use this department ID. Let me write the code. Just actually this will be not the df, it will be df underscore, or it's emp underscore df. Sorry. Okay. Dot join, then department underscore df on and the key on which we will join the two data frame, like it's department ID, right? Okay, and for which join we are going for, it's inner join, right? So we'll mention here inner. Okay, so this is the syntax for inner join. If I run this, you will get the data which is matching. Here you can see the department ID 10, 20, 40, 50, 70. So it will give us this data 10, then the second one Sneha. Okay, then what's 40, this Priya, and 50, 70. This one Vikram, and we don't have 70. Okay, so it will skip this 71 and this null one and 31 and 61 because we don't have this data in department table, and in department table we have 70, we don't have that in employee table. Okay, see here, it gave us only the matching data. Okay, so next join is left join. So left join or left outer join, you can call anything. So what it will return. So when in inner join, when are joining two data frame, it was returning us only the matching data, right? But in left join, it will return us all the left table with the matching table. And for the like it will give us the matching data, and for the left side data also, left data frame data also, but for the right column it will mention null. So you will understand when I uh, create this in in my VS Code core. So just like the same way we had created for inner join, the same way we need to create for left join. Only here instead of inner, you need to mention here left. So what it will do? Here, see here. So this is the data of EMP and department. So first it will match, and the matching data are these, right? But it was not giving us the data for this null value and 60, right? While doing the inner join, but here it will give us these data, and for this null value we don't have anything in this department ID and department name, no, so it will mention null. Yeah, here we got the result. Here, check here. So for Mira, okay, so Mira, on which table we have here, on employee table, but the department ID is null. So what it did, department ID null. Okay, and the department name is like, for department ID is null, nothing to match here, so it will mention null. The same way for Rohit and Babul, like the right side table or department table, we don't have any data, so it mentioned null. Okay, we'll go for the next join, which is right outer join. The right outer join is the same as the left join, but here it return the right data frame. Okay, so it's also very simple, like the left join. Uh, with the same syntax you can create, instead of here in left join you mention left, here right you need to mention right. Okay, and what it will do, it will give the right table data, like all the data, and for the value which are not matching it will mention null for the left table data. Okay, we'll see here, it's still running. For example, this 71 we don't have here, right? For like legal department we don't have any employee working on it, so it will mention null. It's taking time. Yeah, here you can see the legal department, it mentioning the employee ID and employee name null. Okay, so we'll go for the next join. Yeah, this is full outer join. What will do, it will join using one key, and uh, it will return, it will give us the data. Also it will give the all the rest data, but it will mention for like left data it will mention the right side column as null, and right data it will mention left side column as null. Like it will give us the data which we get in left join plus right join. Okay, and the syntax is the same, only here when you like for all of the join it's the same only. But then how you need to give your outer. So like it will give the data this plus this. Okay. So for this department IT 30, it will give the department name null. And for this one, department 70, it will give employee ID and name null. Here, right? For here I was checking department 70, employee ID name null, and this also null department ID, right? Okay, we'll go for the next join, which is left semi join. So this is on the left join. What it was doing, it was giving us the matching data and left side all the data, right? But here what it will do, it will return us only the left side matching data. Like it will first match with the right side, and which data got matched from the left data frame to right data frame, it will return that data, but only from left data. You will understand here in Spark. Okay, let me tell you. Yeah, so here when you are doing this left join, so what it giving us, so left data here. These are the left table data, right? Or left data frame data. Employee ID, name and department ID, these three things we have here. But this department name is on the right data frame, which is department data frame. Okay, it won't return us this data, this department name data. It will return only these three. Okay, we'll see here. Instead of outer, what you need to mention, left semi. Okay, and like this is very important, like most of the time, like some critical condition you have to use. Then there is other two, like others few optimization joins technique. I will discuss that in a different video. And all these codes and this presentation I will mention in the description. You can download from that. Also, I have created one interactive HTML file. I will upload it in GitHub. You can check it from there. Here you can select any of the join, and it will show you the graph one. So it will tell you what are the tables and what it's doing. It will show two example tables and what it's returning. This green part is the output. Okay, so here you can check all type of join, right? So the green color is for the match data. Here also in status you can see, and here the syntax. Okay, and also in this YouTube video I will add some quizzes also. Try to give all the quizzes, you will know like what you will learn from this video. Okay, see, it return on only the left table data, only the matched left table data. It like before to this we are getting this one department name, but here we are not getting department name. Okay, and what is the next join, is left anti-join. Okay, and this is also one of the like most important join in Spark. So like when you do not the incremental loading from source database, and you don't have any date field to compare and fetch. So on that point, you will use this left anti-join. I'll create one video on that. I will attach that video link in this video description. You can check out that. So first we'll see like how we can do the left anti-join. Okay, first let me run this, then I will explain. Okay, so here if you see uh here left join, so what it return us all the matching data, right? And matching data and all the data from the left, but uh, for the data which are not present in department id, it mention null. Okay, so for it will when left and it will return us the data for which this uh, department name is not, means like which are not matching to the right data frame. So it will return us only the data which are present in the left table and not matching with any of the data in right table. Okay, so here you can tell to what data it will return. So this 10 is here, so it won't give this data. 20 also here, 30 also, no, 30 is not there, so it will return this one. Okay, and this null is not also in department, so it will return this one. 50 is there, 40 is there, and 60 is not there, so it will return this 60. Okay, let's see the result is here or not. Yeah, here 30 null value and 60. Okay, uh, and what is the next one? Cross join. Okay, so what is the cross join? So what cross join do, like in the math, you know, right? If we do like two matrix multiplication, like a Cartesian product, right? If what it do, it like it took one uh, one data and multiply to all the other data for another same, like the matrix where here we have in our data frame. What it will do, it will do one record from left table and join that record in all of the record in right table. Here you can see A1 joined with B1, A1 joined with B2, A1 joined with B3. Like K1, it will do for all the record for A2, for A3. Okay, so like we'll see how we can do this in code. Yeah, it's also the same, but here it's not the same, it's a different. You don't need to mention how or like on, because it's not using any particular key to match to data, right? And in, instead of this join, you need to mention here cross join. Okay, cross capital J, cross join department. Okay, gave us the result. Here you can see it only showing the 20 rows, so because it's more than 20 rows. Yeah. Here you see all the jobs it was running. We'll see, go to the SQL data frame and we'll see for the cross join. This the cross join ID. Here it like it is doing some optimization by itself. This is the features of the Spark, right? Here you can see our code. Here it's first taking one data frame, then another data frame. Right? If you want to a video on like Spark UI, I will explain like all of the point in Spark UI. Just comment down below. So this is all for the Spark joins. And if you have any questions or you want video on any next topic, you just comment on the video. Thank you guys.